Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. Today I've got a really kind of surprising but happy summer tote reveal. I say it's surprising because this isn't a brand that I generally go for. They're known for their little doggy kind of icon logo thing, and I'm much more of a cat person. Although I appreciate some of the styles and certainly the leather, I have never been particularly drawn to them myself. Cut to Hubby and I walking through our favourite department store, John Lewis, and I spot this little cutie up on the shelf, and it was just slightly out of reach. Hubby watched me as I was trying to poke it down, and before he stepped in and poked it down for me, and he really liked it as well. And it is this cream coloured canvas material. It is by Radley, and you can see on the little label there is the little Scotty dog that Radley is known for, and it is just a very simple, oh gosh, the lighting is terrible today, what is going on? Here we go. It is just a very simple tote bag, and I don't have anything that's particularly summer appropriate in terms of tote bags. So if I'm going to go for a picnic or something like that, then I don't have any options other than my Neverfull, really. So obviously I was drawn to the rainbow. StyledByGwenny here. After doing a little bit more research, I found out that this was actually from the Pride collection that Radley put out this year, and 20% of each sale was donated to Stonewall. I have already run this past Winnie. She is excited for me and a little bit jealous as well. It has got Radley there in rainbow colours, Radley London. It's got the two little grab handles, it's got a popper fastening there, it's got this shoulder strap, which I really like. It's non-removable, it's stitched in on the sides there. It has just a plain bottom, no feet on it or anything. But when I looked inside, I was like, oh hello, yes please. Just look at that lining. Golly gosh, how lovely is that? So the lining is kind of a more resistant material, listen. So that should wipe clean pretty easily. I am planning on Scotch guarding it on the outside to try and keep the creaminess creamy for as long as possible. Inside it is one big open space, and then it has this one slip pocket which has got a bit of that lining in there as well. That slip pocket moves around like it does in the Neverfull, and there are some cards in there that we bought on the day as well, so let's get rid of that. And there you go. Hubby got it down for me, and I popped it on my shoulder and I showed him the popper and everything, and he was like, yeah, I really like that. Oh, is this a foldable one? No, that can't be right. Can it? It's not reversible, is it? The popper looks like, that's what the popper looks like. There. That's popped. So you've got a big bit and a shallow bit there. Slightly different from the usual poppers I've seen, but there was a big bit sticking out there and a popper there. So what does that mean? Does that mean you can... I don't know if that means it's reversible. Let's have a look at it. For care instructions, please consult the booklet inside this bag. Oh yeah, there it is. That's just standard Radley blurb on the little care booklet and the card there. This doesn't say anything in particular about this particular thing, but it kind of looks like you could sort of fold it in on itself. Oh, it did pop up, but then it unpopped. further investigation is required. StyledByGwenny again. Further investigation did show that it is indeed reversible. Can you tell that this was a bag that we just bought completely on the spur of the moment? So yeah, we saw this on the shelf, got it down. Hubby really liked it as well, and he said, well, if you like it, do you want it? And I was like, what? Are you sure? We're not just buying bags willy-nilly when we see them for the first time. He was like, well, I like it, you can have it. And on the label it said it was 109 Great British pounds, which we thought, Radley, for the brand, you know, for the construction, you can see it's really nicely stitched here. All of the stitching is fantastic. We thought, okay, we'll buy it. So we took it to the till, and he rang it up at the till and said that'll be £87 then please. So it was on special and we didn't even know, so that's a lovely little extra bonus. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. I'm very pleased, I'm very happy that I've got something with a lot of rainbow colours in, because I love the rainbow colours. I love colours, what can I say? And I'm also really happy that I've got something that'll go with, it's a bit more summery, spring summer appropriate, and it's going to look fantastic with my June sandals, which are in a very similar shade of this sort of creamy colour. It's summery, I really like it. I think it's fantastic. It was a complete surprise. We weren't looking for anything, we just saw it. It also came in a sort of pale pink with a red Radley on it, and that did catch my eye as well. But I wanted something in this kind of creamy kind of colour. I'm all about removable, adjustable shoulder straps for handbags. But for this, I think this is great. And you can easily just drop it in, tuck it in, if you just want to do a hand carry situation, which is perfectly acceptable. So that's my cute little new Radley rainbow shopper tote type thing. Are you a fan of Radley? Do you like the little Scotty dogs? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know if you like this little addition to my bag room of dreams. If you enjoyed this video, then please do show it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!